Gary, we got power flashes northeast of Mustang right now, on the eastern edge of Mustang, and we just saw a couple of power flashes to the northeast of Mustang.
Still looking east. I can see the clear spot wrapping around the backside. I would treat it as a tornado.
Tornado emergency for Yukon, Richland, Wiley Post Airport, Bethany, and the village. Locations impacted include Reno, Yukon, Bethany, Mustang, War Acres, and Richland. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation.
South of the airport a little bit, get a better vantage point.
Okay, come on. Okay, I'm just going to talk to the folks. This is a tornado emergency, of course, from the parts of the El Reno area on into Yukon, Banner. Right now, it's moving almost due east. So I just see all. Between the wall and the stool, whatever. So, this will eventually pass, but this is a very dangerous storm. We see a large debris ball right now, right along Interstate 40, so it is smashing businesses and houses. That's what we see in the air at this particular time. So it continues to be a tornado emergency from east sections of El Reno all the way over to Banner, then to Yukon. This thing is a threat to life and property. Go ahead.
Gary, Timberlawn Road.
Ha 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 ha!